Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like it here. I hope you subscribe and become part of my family. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have anything to say, please comment down below and let me know what you think about this whole video. Now, Gugu is one of the people, one of the YouTubers that are most loved. She is so loved. You will see her videos. The moment she posts a vlog, it goes to the thousands within the hour. When it comes to how big she is on here on YouTube, she actually reminds me of how Mihlali was when she started out, or rather when she started being very popular on YouTube. Her videos would be like 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 within 2 hours, and that is Gugu. And people love her, but at the same time, she has so many haters. She has so many people believe that she's fake. She has so many people who believe the rumors about her and her husband. That was then until she started now posting proof that her husband is not what everybody is saying, or rather her friend was saying on the internet. But up until this day, I think her and Zizi are the one of the two people sorry, one of the two people or YouTubers that seem to be in very healthy marriages, or rather the YouTubers that I watch and know about a lot. They're very much in healthy marriages, that even though they go through so much, you still see them with their partners and you see how it looks like everything is healthy, everything is communicated, no one is suffering, no one is being used, no one is being made apple pie. And for me, I think that goes to the fact that they dated, both these women, Zizi now and Gugu, they dated their partners for a long time before marrying them. They didn't rush into marriage like most people do. Yes, there's people who think about it and they make great decisions before marrying their partners, but then with them they planned their wedding and they saved, I think she said at one point she saved they saved 400K for their wedding. That is someone or people who wanted to get married, and they made sure they saved towards that goal that they both wanted. She's a loving wife to her husband. She seems like she submits to her husband because her husband is treating her well. She went down memory lane and showed us some of the pictures that were very questionable that she took with her husband, the things that they did way back when. And I wanted to share this to shine light on the fact that a lot of people have a problem with the fact that she's always buying bags. She's always going on vacations, doing very expensive things with her husband, forgetting that there's a Gugu that we knew from 2018 or 2017, I can't remember, who didn't have much, who was just having a normal job and was buying things Gomaravastad and Small Street. And people liked that Gugu, and it's kind of like people liked her because she was struggling and she was buying the things that everybody was buying. But now that she is buying things that are a little bit more expensive, people are coming for her. People are always finding things to say about what she's doing when it comes to buying things. For me, I feel like that's her thanking herself for all the hard work she's put in the past years. She and her husband put in the past years, and all the growth they have gone through, whether it's financially or emotionally or in their marriage, just in general. I think that is why she keeps buying these things, to make herself happy, yeah, and to thank herself for what she's doing. For me, I just wanted to give them love and say that I like the direction that their relationship is taking. I like the fact that even though she will trend and people will drag her for literally defending herself as she should, because we don't like bullies, people will drag her and call her names because of that. But I like that she decided to finally stand up for herself. But now I don't like the fact that she's not posting anymore. She is not posting, and even though I'm not in the same level as her financially, I like watching her vlogs. They inspire me, and it evokes the things that she says evoke change, and the things that she does make you see that it's possible to change, for your life to change. It's possible for you to become a better person. It's possible for your situation to become better. You will never stay in the same place for the rest of your life, because things do change. And she's one of those people for me who, even though she has now gotten up the ladder to a point where she gets to buy whatever she wants whenever she wants, she still is an inspiration. She still is someone, that a YouTuber that I feel like is still watchable. an influencer that is still watchable and doesn't feel so fake at all because she's buying it to sell things. I don't understand why people feel like it's offensive or it's wrong of her to be buying all these things for herself, but they are feeling that, and I honestly don't know. I just wanted to give them love, give her and her husband love, and shout them out because Sana, people are going through it in marriages, and to see a couple that has been together for so long, has struggled together, and for a man, because most men, the moment they make it, they will leave you, Sana. They will leave you and forget about you because they've made it. They want a new thing that they can be with and do whatever they want with. So it makes me very happy to see them that they're still together and they're still fighting all these bad people, all these people that are always up in their business, wanting to find something wrong or something for them to fight about. So let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. Let me know how you love Mr. Kanana and how you appreciate him for how he's treating Gugu from what we are seeing. And can they please come back on YouTube? Can she please come back on YouTube? Because it's been long.